Got a C8. And happy birthday, man. We gonna turn up. Hurry up while y'all pass. My birthday. We got it. What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tune back in with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell. Go like this video too, man. It's gonna be a good video. Run them likes up for us, and we're gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. Y'all see it? Still in Miami, man. Hold on, yeah, there it goes. It's focused in now. Still in Miami, man. It's Sunday, so you already know it's time for a Sunday fun day. Just got back from brunch. I forgot to bring the camera to brunch, but you know it's all good. We about to get out here on this water out here. Y'all see all these boats out here? They on that island right there. Right now. Boats, yachts. So yeah, we about to get out here on this water and turn up. We still turning up for Jada's birthday. Everybody in there getting ready. I'm ready to slide, so make sure y'all stay tuned, man. We're going to get lit on the boat, man. They're gonna let me drive the boat and everything, so make sure y'all don't miss out on this. Stay tuned. Alright, fam, we done made it. It's always a hater, boy. You ain't know what I was about to say. This yacht spot. Right here? Yeah, right here at the canopy. You said they'd come grab us from the canopy.
We're just stand here?
Yeah. Unless you got a key to get in.
It's right here.
Where the hell they got us here? Got a C8. Dang, she just banged that motherfucker. Nah, we got it.
Hi, how's everything going?
Alright, how's it going? Yep. Damn, that's loud. This way? This way, y'all. This that yacht parking garage right here. Damn. They got flavors in here, y'all. Is this it? Ah, this motherfucker nasty. It's the one. Editor 57. Damn.
All of that. If you can remove your shoes, please.
Gotcha.
Leave them here. Okay. And then you can just step there.
Y'all ready to turn up?
You don't want to see bitches.
Okay, okay. What did you say?
Wait. Am I glowing? We need some sun.
Yeah.
We need to get in the light.
You good? You good? Go ahead. Tell him.
The light's behind you.
Another big guy right there.
I know what I said.
What you say, bro?
Wait.
Wait for what?
I need some sun.
Ain't gonna be no sun. You in the shade.
No, but it's about to be shining on me.
Hey there.
It's shining your glow. Huh?
Whoa. That's already.
I know.
Shots.
I told y'all.
Now that we on the boat, yeah. Now what you say?
What I say?
What did you say? I'm play dumb now.
I said you always get nice shots for my birthday. I appreciate it.
Nice what?
Yachts.
Okay. You what?
I appreciate it.
Okay, bet.
If you go scary, going too far. Just to let you know. Thank you.
Get whatever you need before you get up there. Inside of here nasty too. Man, you got the sunroof, but you got the skylights. On the way to the inner coaster. How long you been driving? How long you been?
My entire life, not gonna lie to you.
Your entire life?
Yeah.
Okay.
I used to do the recreational with my family, and now I'm a captain.
Okay. Okay. You from Miami?
No, I'm from Venezuela.
Venezuela?
Yeah.
Okay.
Moved here
Cool.
7 years ago.
Cool.
You guys, where are you guys from?
We're from Ohio.
Ohio?
Yep. Ohio.
Well, you moved here or vacation?
Vacation. A little bit of both. Ready for the first birthday shots?
Oh wait, who got the organic
First.
lemonade?
I mean, first on the boat. Damn. I just need a cup. I'm drinking mine straight. Y'all know me. I'm drinking mine straight.
Well, you were
And we
drinking
out
water
there.
earlier.
But I was drinking my liquor straight though. What's that? Who got that? You? That tequila? You a bad boy.
I'm not a boy.
Ciroc,
Maybe that's fine.
the
Maybe
710. Thank you.
So, that's fine for you? Okay.
Yeah, 2 cups ice, 1 cup, just a cup. I'll just take just the empty cup. Damn. Look at all these yachts, y'all. That one's nasty. Nasty. That one got the jet ski on the back. I done seen this dude's boat before. I done seen his boat before. Carolina. Damn. What? Just straight, yeah.
The music.
Oh, music. Hold that.
Oh, he didn't want no ice in his.
No ice?
Yeah, in his.
I want to get a video before we get too lit of the boat. They got the steps down here, y'all. Kitchen area. Like it's a room up there. It's probably the master room, or we got a little couch right here. Another little room. It's that vibe room right here. Y'all know what this is right here. It's the boom boom room. They got the mirror in here too. I swear I'm gonna get me a yacht one day. Look at the window. Outside. TV. You can get to the bathroom through this door. They got a bathroom right here. I might just use the bathroom real quick. A little shower. Mirror right here. Hold that thought real quick, y'all. Alright, y'all. We back. Damn. Slide back upstairs. Yeah. Got my drink right here. Said this side, right? This way? Yeah. Or this way?
Okay.
This one. Okay.
You can pay both, but this one is gonna be much better.
Okay.
You need a little bit?
This.
Yeah, that's normal. We find every day, everywhere. They put in the places that I don't have idea how. Okay.
And we ain't got time for all of that.
All right.
All right.
Cheers to Jada Joy. May more blessings come your way this year. I appreciate you, but at the same time, I can't stand you. Who's next? No one else wants to have a birthday.
Robin?
Happy birthday, Jada. You like the daughter I never had.
Aww.
I did not say that part.
What you got to say?
Man, big happy birthday, big, what is it, 28?
Big.
Big 24, big 24, going into 23. Got big things coming next year, man. You gotta level up next year, man. You gotta get your bag up a little more, man. You gotta do something extra next year, man. You gotta get to that.
Damn, that's a long ass speech.
Right, what are you saying?
You ain't doing enough.
Right,
Happy birthday, man. We gonna turn up.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Cheers!
Oh, and it's pretty out here. You got the water and the trees.
On it?
They deep as hell on this motherfucker. Look,
Look, it's leaning to the left.
they got assigned seats. Big turn up. Hold on. Where the females at? All niggas on there.
That's a sausage fest.
Hey, it was all niggas on there. Oh.
Okay, she needs to take our pictures too. She hired full time.
Damn, when they put these up, them wasn't there last time.
That's really nice.
I'll take one of these.
It's not even else. That's really nice. Want to be nice?
Alan, that's her birthday present for next year.
Shit, come on with it. This ain't the Titanic. This an old cargo ship.
I hope you know that shit.
That's an old cargo ship. They got a driveway, look. That's dope.
I get it, yeah, for sure. Know you're lying by the signs that you really showed. All this money that I blew. She said she loved me, but I think she let her go up with it. She done played her role, she already know I rock with it. Bad decisions in my life and I live with it. And I switch up on the game, want you talk business. I just want all my
Be careful,
and I'm
it's a little
coming with it. Said she love me, but she love you too, don't get it.
Look, y'all, this water is pretty deep.
Shake it real good. Put your thumb on the bottom of it.
Shake it, baby. Shake it like a pit bull.
Keep shaking. Put your thumb on it.
Put your thumb under it.
There you go. Shake it. It's gonna pop. Now put your thumb under it.
Woo! Happy 24th birthday! Take a shot. Take a shot of it. Come on, Jada. Oh, shit. Yes.
Twist the middle.
This tastes good, though.
Don't fall in, bro.
Okay, do it again. I'm just teasing. Alan, don't go for it right now. Look at I'm scared.
I don't know what happened. When I played that gorilla, it did the whole dash. Come on. What you mean you need another dip? one victim.
Okay, one. Come on, round one, two, three. Come on! Come on, Robiana! Come on! I'm right here. Come on, right here. I'm right here.
He getting chased, boy. He getting chased by the laws. They on his ass, look. Look, fam, they on his ass, look. He running. He rolling. They on his ass, y'all. He gonna pull over? Hold on, where it go? There it go. I think he stopped. Oh, they done got his ass.